Hello students, today we will start with an example number 9 of page number 143 of triangle. I think many of you have doubt in this, so we will clear it. So what is the question? See, in figure 6.43, so in textbook it is given 6.43, the line segment XY. So this is XY is what? Line segment. Parallel to AC. So XY is what? Parallel to AC. ये given में आएगा, right? XY is parallel to AC. So in given, what it is given? XY is parallel to AC. Next, line segment XY is parallel to side AC of a triangle ABC. Okay, triangle ABC. And it divides the triangle into two parts of equal area. So XY is dividing into two equal area. It means this area 1 equals to area 2. Okay, what is area 1? BXY. And area 2 is AXYC. Okay, so this is also given. Area of AXYC equals to what? Area of BXY. Okay, yes. If I want to find ABC area, it is very simple, right? It will be addition of these two, right? So can I say area of BXY plus AXYC? Okay, और हमें मालूम है area of BXY is here and this is also area of BXY, right? AXYC means only BXY. So क्या आएगा वो? Area of BXY plus BXY. Okay, so हमें मिल रहा है 2 times of area of BXY, area of ABC. So area of ABC equals to 2 times of area of BXY. So हम इसका रेशियो निकाल सकते हैं, इसकी जरूरत कहीं तो भी पड़ेगी. So we will keep aside, it is done in rough. Now हमें फाइंड क्या करना है? See, it is dividing the triangle into two equal parts. So you have seen XY is parallel to AC. It is dividing into two equal parts. We have written in the given. Now we need to find AX upon AB. We need to find AX upon AB. But in periodic test 3, I have told you find BX upon AB. Yes, many of you have found this, but you have to find what? BX upon AB. Right? जितना पूछा है उतना पहले find करें. So how to find BX upon AB? So it's very simple. BX upon AB. You can see BX is a part of triangle BXY, or AB is a part of what? ABC. Can I prove ABC and BXY are similar? Yes. So yes, we can prove. Solution. We will take a triangle BXY and triangle ABC. In triangle BXY and triangle ABC, XY is parallel to AC. Can I say corresponding angles are equal? Angle 1 will be equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4, right? So here in triangle BXY, so BXY and ABC, XY is parallel to AC. So I can say angle 1 equals to angle 2. Okay, all of you know if these two lines are parallel, corresponding angles are equal. So here I am writing corresponding angles are equal. In short, next you can write angle 3 equals to angle 4. So angle 3 equals to angle 4. Same reason, corresponding angles are equal. So now you can see these two triangles are similar by what? Angle criteria. So triangle BXY is similar to triangle ABC. By which criteria? By angle. Okay, by angle similarity. इतना तो प्रूव हो गया. आगे वाला स्टेप बहुत इजी है. What you need to do? You need to find BX upon AB. It means what? Area of triangle BXY upon area of ABC can we take? You will use theorem 6.6. Yes? What it is? We will write the statement also if it is required. Area of BXY upon area of triangle ABC. If two triangles are similar, Okay, if two triangles are what? Similar, then the ratio of this similar triangle is equals to what? Square of ratio of the corresponding side. Square of ratio of corresponding side. You know, you can write bx upon ab, xy upon bc, dy upon ac, but actually you want bx upon ab, no? So we will take that only. This is a theorem 6.6. What it is? Theorem of area, ratios of area of similar triangle. Area of similar triangle. Right? You can write this also, or you can write the statement the best. Okay. अभी देखो, area of bxy as it is. What is area of abc? We have find it here in rough. Is it 2 times of area of abc? Is it 2 times of area of bxy? So just put there. ठीक है? Area of bxy upon area of what? 2 times of what? ABC means what? 2 times of bxy. All of you know this. So here bxy and bx upon ab whole square. Can I cancel this? 1 जा, it's 1 by 2. 1 by 2 bx upon ab whole square. अभी क्या करना है? Just taking square root on both the side. What you are getting? 1 by root 2 equals to bx upon ab. So if you solve up to this, it was of the textbook. It was of the periodic test 3, question number 7 actually. But in our textbook, it is said to find ax upon ab. But we have found it bx upon ab. So how to find ax upon ab? Yes, very simple. How to find it? See, अगर find करना है मुझे ax upon ab, can I say ax is obtained by subtracting ab minus bx, right? ab minus bx, right? ax you will get. Yes or no? Question में देखना what you need to find. ax you need to find. So ab minus bx. Okay. If I divide both the side by ab, why have we divide both the side by ab now? I have written this equation with the help of this. I want ax. ax चाहिए तो ab minus bx होगा, right? ab minus bx होगा. But I want ax upon ab. So dividing both the side by what? ab. So actually you should get ab minus bx upon ab. इसे हम simplify करेंगे. I can write ab upon ab minus bx upon ab. This is just a hint. ab upon ab is what? 1 minus bx upon ab. Okay, so it's 1 minus bx upon ab. It means this is bx upon ab. Okay, from 1 we need to subtract to get what? ax upon ab. Yes, this is backtracking method. Once again I will repeat. What you want? ax upon ab. So in figure check how you can obtain ax. You can obtain ax when it is ab minus bx. Okay, now you can see ax वाला part हो गया, but in denominator ab is there, so I will divide both the side by ab. So if I simplify, this is ab upon ab, and this will be what? bx upon ab. So it's 1 minus bx upon ab. I need to do one operation. It is 1 equals to 1. So what you will do? You have to subtract this equation 1 from 2. Like this you have to do. Okay? Simple. I will take 1 equals to 1 and 1 by root 2 equals to bx upon ab. Why? Because 1 minus bx upon ab. और simply यहाँ पे 1 minus adjust करो. Don't need to take equation 2. So I am writing here. By performing this, 1 minus 1 by root 2 equals to 1 minus bx by ab. Do the cross multiplication. AB minus BX upon AB, which we want, and this will be root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. AB minus BX is what? AB minus BX is what? AX. AX upon AB. We got this. Okay, but see, root 2 minus 1 upon root 2. Whenever the denominator, if it is in root form, it is not in standard form. So you need to convert it into standard form by multiplying by its conjugate. Okay, that is by doing the rationalization. So multiply numerator and denominator by root 2. Yes. Root 2 ka actually it's minus root 2, but minus minus get become plus. Yes. Now what you will get? Root 2 into root 2, 2. Yeah, root 2 into root 2, 2. And root 2 into minus 1, minus root 2. So AX upon AB is what? 2 minus root 2 upon 2. This question is very important. It was asked in the board exam of 2018 or 17.